Locate the cornering light. Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry out to release the fastener. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the cover by turning it counterclockwise. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
When putting the cover back on, you notice kind of these openings. Those kind of go into where this slot is here. So put it in like that and then just turn it clockwise to lock it into position.
Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once.
If you notice that it's sitting up too high here or it doesn't look flush, chances are those didn't get seated properly, so just take it out and try again.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the Torx bolts by turning them clockwise.
Now the bolt that goes in the back, just keep in mind it does look a little bit different than the other two. It has a little bit flatter top on it, and it actually has more of a bolt-like shape to it.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.